to top this one, because bring it under. Hi guys, good day. So welcome to my video. So I'm just coming back from where I go pick my children. So let's unbox. I've unboxed this already. So let's see what I got today. I bought this for my, So I ordered this one for my mind because I need a can for my mind. Man out of my anyhow. I think this one will reach one baby. So I buy this for my. This is hair cream. This thing is very small. It was very big. Even when I see it online, and as it comes like small, it's again 9+4. You check for it. You go give Alex and Christopher. And this is plates. So I like to get different types of plates for my children. And when you see this is online, because they're very big. Thank God it's not big. I will take it. Maybe big. So plates. You get different types. So guys, how you all doing? This weekend, I told you visit this week. That's why it's easy. I never upload. So that's why I never upload there. And no, another. You lay down there. I told you guys to go to your room. I didn't call you yet. Why is this hard like this? Yeah, I want to bring it now. Iron one. This one is still for my mind. I just okay. It's for my way too, So I just say let this one come so that I will see the look before I buy another one. So I'll buy like this, like 2, 3, before I'll not use this one to top it. I'll use this one to top this one, because bring it under. Which one? Give it to them, husband. You did not give it to them. Go and look for something to take it. Or you ask me to pack to them. You ask me to pack to them. So guys, this one is for cover for that thing. Bring that thing. Come on. I bought 2, yes, bring it. Any day you try this thing, any day you do this thing, just go to your room and stay. That's the punishment. I said, what did I say? I said, you should ask me to pack for your head. So guys, I buy this thing to cover this water bottle. It's like green leather. Go to where I sent you. So guys, I also ordered this. I bought this water bottle for me, Let it fashion me. Yeah, I love to have different types of water bottle at home, So I buy this. I'm going to wash it. Okay, this is not internet. Okay, enter. I'll be using this one to cover it. Using it. So I had to remove that thing. This is no longer. Yeah, I'm sure it's over the thing. Are you seeing the water bottle? It's very big, So I love to have different water bottles. Okay, there's another thing inside. This one is very soft. These children. I have to wash it. I'm going to face this thing is hard. I love this very well. So, yeah, what is this? What? Sorry. Just look at your face. It's not wrong. When you see this thing online, don't look so big. See, just small like this. Where? I'm sorry, I'll be putting my wig here. I'll put wig here. And they'll be putting their toys also. I think they'll be using it to put toys. But when you saw it online, it's very big. It will look so big, but if you receive it, this is what you get, Oh, okay. I'll take it to their room. It's not even strong. So that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. See you guys in our next video. I didn't call you.